Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair skyrocketed 1.3% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 9.5% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.5% during the session. The ROC's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
US emergency crude oil stocks fell 8.4 million barrels last week to 434.1 million barrels, their lowest since October 1984, according to US Department of Energy data. The dollar nursed losses ahead of US inflation data that investors hope might show some signs of softening, while the euro rose on hawkish comments from policymakers that rates would need to increase further. Terra's Luna mooned last week as the rebooted version of the crypto token surged 247%. But while the token has still picked up massive value over the last week, the ascent has stopped. Now it's down by more than a third from its recent peak.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's imports will be released at 23:50 GMT, the UK's core consumer price index at 0600 hours GMT, the Eurozone's industrial production at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's exports will be released at 23:50 GMT, the US producer price index at 12:30 GMT, the UK's consumer price index at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.